You've just been scammed. Your heart is racing, your palms are sweaty, and the only thing echoing in your head is, how could I have been so stupid? Before you spiral into a pit of despair, let's take action. This video is your lifeline. We're diving deep into the murky waters of GrabPay scams and, most importantly, how to report them. Let's face it, GrabPay has made our lives easier. It's our digital wallet, our go-to for everything from grabbing a ride to grabbing a bite. But with convenience comes risk. And scammers, those digital vultures, are always circling, waiting for the perfect opportunity to pounce. So, you think you've been scammed? How do you know for sure? Let's break down the common red flags. Unauthorized transactions, phishing emails, suspicious calls, these are all classic scammer tactics. We'll go through each one so you can spot a scam a mile off. Once you've identified that you've been scammed, the next step is crucial, reporting it. Don't panic, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of reporting a scam to GrabPay. From screenshots to details, we'll show you exactly what information you need to provide. But wait, there's more. We'll also share some prevention tips. How can you protect yourself from falling victim to these digital bandits? From strong passwords to two-factor authentication, we'll equip you with the tools to safeguard your GrabPay account. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how scams work and how to report them, you're taking control of your financial well-being. So, let's get started. Your GrabPay account is worth protecting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and scam-free.